Nag-uwan, Inday? Mag-green, no? Ibe, nag-green? O, na eh. Sugod ng uwan. Kape-kape. Hmm. Ama ka? Nag-play ka? Ha? Hide and seek? Mukha kang ham? Ikaw mukha na eh. Git? Ani ka naka ham? Ah, okay. Ganyan na? Okay. Nga, mag-play lang ka ha? Nga, watch TV ha? Okay, good girl. Kapista. My YouTube studio. That's my YouTube studio. It's an office. YouTube office. Yeah. I work in YouTube. In YouTube. I'm sorry? Your mommy? Okay, in the house. She's working from home. Your mommy is working from home. Also in the office. Yeah. It's alternate. Hmm? What did you say? Alternate is it's today working at home, tomorrow at the office, and the other day at home, and then at the succeeding day at the office. It's alternate. It's on and off. Yeah, alternate. Sakto ba ako? Ha? Swear. We will Google alternate, baby. Google, it's like research in the internet. You should Google the word so that we know the meaning. Okay? Okay, baby? Nahirapan ako mag-English. Hindi, no? Mm. Sa niya? Imong gi-wake up si Mima? Saan na nag-eat lang kindi? Okay. Okay. What's that eh? Pataral? Hoy, mag-jogging ka, day. Wala na ka nag-exercise, bebe. Bebe, wala ka nag-exercise na to? Kabaw pa ka? Yan na. Mag-try daw, kausa. Hinahina lang ha? Nag-eat ba ka? Hinahina lang. Ay! Ayan na lang. Try lang no? Try lang no? Very good, baby. So go back to me, ma. Nagkape ko. Na-hurt na akong kape, baby. Oo. Ah. Peppa Pig. Mo na yung favorite nga show, baby? Yeah. Moana. May ganahan ka sa Moana. Part 2. Nag-watch mo ka sa inyong sa house niyo gahapon? Yesterday? Moana? Nya, imong na kuan. Nahuman mo tanaw. Kung sa imong ikasulti mo na nindot. Nice movie? Okay. Busog na ko eh. Busog ko sa kape, baby. No, coffee and yeah, coffee and water. Okay. Water, coffee. Pagwas na to, baby. Ha? Mahog ka di ayo. Thank you for watching, Iray. Thank you for watching. Okay.